Good morning, everybody. I thought I would show you what it's like on a nice snowy morning. We're just getting a really nice snowfall today. That's towards the house. I'm going to swap the camera around for you after. This is our south tree line behind me here. Just get a distance out. That's northeast. And that goes there. We're pointing pretty much straight north. Go around. There's some of our own tree line, shelter belt. Grain bins that are going to be repurposed or sold or whatever. And there we go. The old schoolhouse barn. I'll give you more on the history of this place sometime. But there's a look at a snowy morning. There, we'll give you a good morning view of the birds. Hey guys, we'll let you out. Hang on. These guys right here know there's peas right outside this gate. Silly chickens. They like those peas. And then everybody all perched way up there. Yeah, honk at me, girl and boy. Yeah, that's the gander there standing up. Did you lay another one you're sitting on, you silly girl? She laid one yesterday again. I'm not letting her keep them right now. We shall speak to you later. Okay, everybody, I'm in the shop again to do a little bit more on the woodworking project. I will be waxing the ends of my chunks of wood just to keep them from cracking any further as they dry out.